Hello everyone. Today we will see how to prepare shark fish recipe, also called as Sura Puttu in Tamil. I have 1.5 lb of shark fish and let's get started. First we will cook the shark, so I'm adding sufficient water, turmeric powder 1/4 of a teaspoon, half teaspoon of salt, and turn on the heat and let it cook for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes we can turn off the heat, and now I'm going to drain the water, and then now I'm going to take off this skin and then mince the meat to small pieces like this. The skin comes away easily like this, and use your hands to mince the meat like this. And finally I'm done with it. Next we need onion. I'm using 2 onion finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, garlic cut into small pieces like this, 1 green chili cut into small pieces, and few curry leaves, and half cup of grated coconut. And to this meat now I'm adding half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, little pepper powder, little cumin powder, little turmeric, salt, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, and 1 green chili cut into small pieces like this. And now we have to mix it well. And I have mixed it, and the meat is mashed very nicely. And now we can keep this aside, and taking a frying pan, turn on the heat, and I'm adding 4 teaspoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, adding little mustard seeds, urad dal, garlic, and curry leaves. Saute them a little bit. And then add the onions. And fry the onions until they turn dark brown in color. So the onions are fried enough. Now we can add the meat. Mix them well, and let it cook on a medium flame, and occasionally keep doing this. So it's been 15 minutes after we added the meat. So it is dry enough and cooked well. So now we can add half cup of grated coconut. Mix them well. Let it cook for 2 minutes and then we can turn off the heat. And after 2 minutes we can turn off the heat and our Sura Puttu is ready. Please give it a try and thanks for watching.